Business rules in Motive Commerce Search let you influence how products are shown to shoppers when they search. They're useful for things like brand partnerships and let you position a certain brand's item first. They're also great for campaigns, sales seasons, and are a really useful way of promoting products that you know are trending. Here's an example. Imagine you sell t-shirts and you've just started a collaboration with Motive T-shirts. You can create a boosting rule so that every time a shopper searches for the word t-shirt, the Motive branded t-shirt appears first. So let's see how you can use business rules to make that happen. To create a business rule, click Add Rule and select the language. Specify if it applies to all searches or just specific ones. Select the type of rule, boost or berry, and the field that will be targeted. Enter the details and click Save. You can also edit or delete an existing business rule when you hover over it. Click the edit icon to open up the box again and change whatever it is that you need to change. Or just click the bin to delete that rule for good. Once you save a new rule, or delete one, the changes will be automatically applied. The best way to see business rules in action is just by creating a few yourself and seeing how they impact your shop's search results in real time.